today I have decided from today to day 30, I am going to make 30 videos very raw, very raw. I could have said real and unscripted video. Because I am seeing that for 3 to 4 months I have been speaking to my kids only, and I have very limited vocabs by which I can only speak to a kid but not an adult. So I find myself that to whom should I talk? I find myself wondering whom should I talk to? Then I remember that I have 2000 people, not people, 2000 friends who have subscribed me, who would like to watch me. So I will talk with you only. I have 2000 people who has subscribed to me, not subscribed me, and love watching me. So I will talk to you, not talk with you. See, he just called me to see so that no one steal his motor pump. He called me to keep an eye on his car washing machine so that no one steals it while he is upstairs. He came back to the upstairs because his battery got discharged. Generally our get-go breakfast is poha, but today I put some pressure on my brain. Today I racked my brain and thought of making something else. So I find sabudana was kept at that corner for a very long time. So I told him, come on, today is your day. I don't know today it will come out well or not, but let's give it a try and what my husband says. I really don't know because it's a little tricky breakfast which must turn out well because it has some sticky problem. It would better it turns out well because it usually gets mushy and sticky. The thing I was feared of has happened. The thing I was dreading the most just happened. So I am done with finishing the most important work of the day, that is to pack his tiffin.